Joining me now is Democratic Congressman Jerry Nadler of New York, who introduced that bill last week. Sir, it's good to have you on. Earlier today, I had the couple of Kathy on and her partner Jackie, or Judy, excuse me, and Judy had to retire early to actually be together with Karen to go ahead and try to make their union work. They also revealed for the first time on national TV that they got married in Vermont just a little while ago. So why is it that you have such an allegiance to a family like this and want to see them supported in this country?
Well, it's not a question of seeing them supported. We're not talking about any kind of government benefits. It's a question of government not being gratuitously cruel. Loving couples should not be torn apart unnecessarily. Now, and our immigration law recognizes that. The law provides that if an American citizen marries a foreigner, the American can sponsor the foreigner, in effect, to jump the line and come to this country early. But since gay couples can't get married, and the federal government won't recognize the marriage even in the few states where they can, a gay partner who falls in love with someone from another country cannot sponsor them for immigration. And given the laws of the United States, that person may not be able to be here, and given the laws of the other country, the American may not be able to be there, and you're forcibly separating a couple. Now, there's no reason. That's purely personal cruelty. The government shouldn't engage in cruelty. So I sponsored for the last several years this bill that says that we will define a permanent partner as a couple who, if they could get married, would, and are financially interdependent and attend their lifelong commitment and so forth, but are legally barred from getting married. And then we treat them the same under the immigration law. We give the American the chance to sponsor the foreigner for entry here as we would a married couple.
But with a Republican-led House, how do you see this even moving forward, if at all?
Well, there's tremendous anti-gay prejudice in the Republican House, and it'll be very difficult, but we have over 100 co-sponsors already, all Democrats for the moment, and we'll make progress. I mean, I have no doubt that this will pass eventually, and there are only two reasons for opposition that we've heard over the years. One is that it could lead to fraud, which is not a valid concern because two heterosexual people can get married fraudulently just for immigration. There are very severe criminal penalties. There would be the same severe criminal penalties if you showed fraud here. And second of all, some people say, well, this is a backdoor to gay marriage. Well, it has nothing to do with gay marriage. It is simply recognizing for immigration purposes that a couple is a loving couple and we shouldn't keep them apart.
But if we don't have gay marriage in this country, how can you say that it's not going to be a backdoor to gay marriage? Because like a heterosexual couple would need to be married for their partner to stay in this country, it would need to be the same thing like that.
No, because we define a new status called permanent partner, and we say permanent partners can sponsor their permanent partners for immigration here, and they have none of the benefits of marriage other than being able to sponsor their permanent partner to come to the United States. There are 1,138 some odd benefits and responsibilities of marriage in federal law, none of which would apply here, except for the right to sponsor the partner to come here.
Well, Congressman Nadler, good luck with how you're going to get this through. We wish you the best, and thanks for coming on today, because we do appreciate your time.
You're quite welcome.